All right, today we're diving into something that could literally change the way you think about building software. GLM-4.6. And let me tell you, this is not just another chatbot. It's a brand new open source AI agent that's designed to actually do things. So if you've been waiting for an AI you can truly put to work, well, this is it.
So let me ask you this. Are you ready to actually build your own AI agent? Because that's exactly what we're talking about today. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to lay out a clear roadmap so you can do just that. Let's jump in.
Okay, first things first. We've got this new AI agent on the block, right? So let's break down what GLM 4.6 actually is and what makes it so different from all the other language models you're probably used to hearing about. So, meet GLM 4.6. And here's the absolute key takeaway. It's designed not just to talk, but to act. Think of it this way. A standard AI is kind of like a super smart encyclopedia. It has all the answers, it gives you information. But an AI agent, that's more like a personal assistant. It doesn't just give you info, it actually gets things done for you.
Okay, so we're throwing this word agent around, but what does that really mean under the hood? Let's decode what makes this whole thing tick.
At its core, an AI agent is a system that can, perceive its environment, make some decisions, and then actually take action to hit a specific goal. And I absolutely love this analogy of a super-powered digital intern. Think about it. You don't tell an intern, click here, then type this. No, you give them a goal, right? Like, hey, find me the top 5 competitors in this space. Then they go off and figure out the steps. That's exactly what an AI agent is built to do.
And this right here, this really spells out the difference. Your standard language model, it's passive. It just sits there and waits for you to ask it something. But an AI agent is proactive. You can give it a really complex, multi-step task, and it will actually break it down, grab the tools it needs, like browsing the web or analyzing data, and then execute the whole plan. It's not a talker, it's a doer.
Okay, so it's an agent, we get that. But why is this specific one, GLM 4.6, such a massive deal? What makes it a true game changer for people like you, the builders and developers? Let's get into the specifics.
It really boils down to 4 huge advantages. First, it's truly open source. That means total freedom to access it, change it, and build whatever you want with it. Second, it has advanced tool use baked right in, so it can use things like code interpreters and web browsers without any fuss. Third, it has a massive context window, we'll talk more about that in a sec, which means it can handle really complex tasks. And finally, it's fast, making it perfect for real-time, responsive applications. And when I say massive context window, I am not kidding. We're talking 256,000 tokens. Now what's a token? Just think of it as a word, or maybe a piece of a word. And 256K, that is enough for the AI to read and understand the equivalent of a 400-page book in one single go. This is absolutely critical for those really hairy, complex tasks where the AI needs to remember a ton of information to get the job done.
All right, so it's powerful, it's open, and you're probably thinking, okay, great, how do I actually use it? So let's walk through your implementation roadmap. Now, don't worry, we're not going to get bogged down in lines of code here. The idea is to understand the core logic, the big picture of how you bring your own agent to life.
It really comes down to 4 main steps. First up, you've got to prep your workspace. That just means getting your digital environment ready, installing the necessary software libraries. Pretty standard stuff. Step 2, you load the model. You'll download the pre-trained GLM 4.6 model and pull it right into your project. Now, step 3 is the fun part. You give the agent its mission. This is where you write a really clear, detailed prompt explaining the task. And, crucially, you tell it which tools it's allowed to use. And finally, step 4, execute and observe. You hit run, and you get to watch in real time as it takes your command and starts executing the steps to make it happen.
And this quote right here, it just nails the whole philosophy. The goal is to move from giving AI instructions to giving it goals. Think about that. We're shifting away from micromanaging the process, from telling the AI every little thing it needs to do. Instead, we just define the end state, the outcome we want, and we let the agent figure out the how. I mean, that's not just an update, that's a fundamental shift in how we're going to build things.
So, we've covered the what, the why, and the how of GLM 4.6. We know what it is, why it's a big deal, and we have a roadmap to get started. But now we get to the most exciting part. What are you going to build?
So that's the real question, isn't it? Now that you have the roadmap, what kind of complex problem are you going to tackle? What amazing tool are you going to create? The power is literally here. It's open source, and it's ready for you to grab. The rest, well, that's up to your imagination. I seriously can't wait to see what you come up with.